Hey folks, welcome back. September is gonna be back to school month real soon. So that gives us enough time to get started on another exciting episode of Master Designs. Today I'm gonna show you how to draw Mr. Intelligente. And if you must know, Mr. Intelligente, he's a robot created by Dr. Eggman, or as some people like to call him, Techno Teacher. His job was to make the students appreciate Dr. Eggman as a hero, but the kids like him better than Dr. Eggman. He even taught them how to play baseball. He's actually a really nice guy. And, Dr. Eggman, he may have created him, but he refuses to let the students let him go. But, he was a bit scared of Dr. Eggman when he arrived. But, anyways, he turned over to Dr. Eggman's bidding. But it was only temporary. I was sure he was being I'm sure it was just a trick to, he was actually pretending to be controlled by Dr. Eggman. Chris wanted to see his parents because he made a promise to them, but Mr. E refuses to let him leave, and he wanted all the students to draw him. Eventually Sonic came to the rescue and destroyed Mr. Intelligente, as in they blew him up. But, anyways, I feel like that Mr. Intelligente was a replacement for Mr. Stewart. But, Mr. E, he's actually a nice guy, but, I didn't think he would turn out as bad. But, I'm starting to think that Mr. Intelligente could have been a nice, good guy. And if I ever have a show, he could teach everyone about the Pokemon and the scientific facts about them. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Anyways, when you start drawing him, you must draw the plug on his body here, his hat. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Drawing him. Anyways, next up is his body here. Next up, here's his arm here. There we go. There we go. Beautiful. Next up, here's his other arm here. Mr. Intelligente is a really nice guy. Here's his glove here. If you ask me, I know deep down he's really buff and has a six-pack. Mr. E is a really intelligent teacher. Anyways, here's his baseball bat. Down here. And here's his treads here. And that's how you draw Mr. Intelligente, or Techno Teacher. So, anyways, I know you guys are planning to go back to school real soon, but we still got plenty of time. We still have time to hit the waves and hit the beach. Mr. E is like that too, the techno teacher. But anyways, I'll bet you guys are always remember, guys, always be nice to your teachers. Be sure to leave an apple on their desk, and always be happy, healthy, and live a normal life. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll let you guys know what kind of fantastic character I'll draw you guys next. See you guys soon.